Hello, psych friends. We're diving into sleep. Sleep is so important. There are many benefits of having a good sleep cycle. That means going to bed at a reasonable hour, making sure your body stays asleep all night, and waking up feeling rested and rejuvenated. Your body will not do that if you are sleep deprived. In fact, it is harder to fall asleep when you are sleep deprived and stay asleep. And no, there's no such thing as catching up on sleep. There's no such thing, okay? All right. So, just FYI, let's walk through the Canvas assignment for sleep. The Canvas assignment is actually really thorough, so we're just going to use what's right on Canvas, okay? All right, so this is how we navigate. We always start at our home screen. If it's going to go. There it is. Yay! All right, we're going to scroll down. And we are starting our new topic, cognition and thinking. Okay, so we are working through learning target 3. All right, we are in learning target 3, success criteria 1. So that is the second tab. And this is the link you're going to be using. Remember, anything under the Blue Connect banner is things that we did together during our live session. Okay? So you can just skip on down to this blue link, sleeping and dreaming. And this is the page. This is what you should see. This page is chock full of little tidbits of sleep theories, what sleep deprivation does, what are the sleep what is the sleep cycle, and what does our body go through during each stage of sleep. And finally, what are the dream theories? Okay. Here is a PowerPoint I uploaded. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't, ignore it. You're going to work your way down the page. So you're going to build this chart. You're going to briefly explain what each theory of sleep is. And then you're going to pick which theory you think is most accurate. Excuse me, and why. Scroll on down to sleep deprivation. Work your way through it. It asks you to test your sleep deprivation. We did that as a class. And then you're going to answer the questions. Keep working through sleep deprivation. Move on to sleep stages. I created a Word document for the sleep stages. If you want to use it, do so. If not, ignore it. Here's a PowerPoint that focuses solely on the stages of sleep and the disorders that may arise with sleep, and then a sleep cycle document that gives you some information. Okay, so feel free to use any and all of these or none of them. Okay, and then finally, dreaming and dream theories. Okay, so you're going to work your way through this, answer the questions, and then you're done. Yay! That is it. I hope you have a great break. Please stay safe. Make sure if you're going to be around people, wear a mask, okay? And just get some rest and relaxation so that when we come back to school next Monday, we are ready to power through until winter break. All right. Bye. I hope you guys have a great break. Bye-bye. Have a good one.